Hi everyone, this is Bank Nifty Future 1 minute chart. Every day in live market we are analyzing how calls are generating and how it performing in live market. Today in this Bank Nifty chart, near to a 12 p.m. market we have received a buy call, a buy signal generated. Due to a buy call, a green color candle open with the entry point of 41,070. In this buy call, it's a 100 point first order, 200 point second order range, like that the call generated. Every day it will automatically analyze the market movement and the call will be generated in the automatic process also. So by just watching the chart you will get the call. You can place the order in your broker account. Manual trading as well as auto trading both are possible in this chart. For chart subscription detail, just send me a hi message in WhatsApp. We'll provide you the plan detail also. After 1 hour completed, market started to move in bullish momentum and break out the first hour range, and market move all the way up to 41,200. Today buy call generated at 41,070 the buy call, but it took for 30 minutes it traded in 20 point momentum only. After 12:30 market started to move in bullish momentum and break out 4100 range and finally break out the first target of 41,173. Like this today call generated and break out the target range. If you want to subscribe for this chart, if you want this chart means just send me a hi message in WhatsApp. We'll provide you the plan detail. If you feel like it, you can subscribe for it. Thank you.